Well, what do you think? Could this video change your life? Nah, I don't think so either. But what if the life of a young person was drastically impacted as a result of you watching this? Hi, Matt here from SMG and the Life Matters team. And we are just weeks away from the launch of our brand new project, The Blueprint to Becoming a Man. This workshop is all about giving boys the tools to become men the world needs. All young people need to discover that their life matters, but this project is focused on boys and the journey that they're on. The battle teenage boys face is real. Suicide is the #1 cause of death for Aussie men aged between 15 and 44. Did you know that around 82% of media articles relating to young men are negative? If you had to guess what the average age young men start watching pornography is, what do you think? 11 years old. These are just some of the battles young guys are facing in their journey to manhood. And we want to offer boys the tools to become men that the world needs. Here's what you need to do. Jump on our website and download our promo pack, lifemattersadl.com. That's lifemattersadl.com. and download the Blueprint to Becoming a Man promo pack. If you're anything like me, you'll want the price list ASAP. And here's the exciting part. The first workshop is completely free. Thanks to Ansvar Insurance, we can offer you the first Blueprint to Becoming a Man workshop free of charge. It's amazing. Remember that question that I asked at the start of this video about the impact of this video? It was a little while ago, and we were packing up having just finished a session with a group of Year 12s. When a young guy came up to us, he seemed a little bit nervous, but he needed to tell us something. He said, "I needed to tell you, today has changed my life. I knew something had to change for me, and today has inspired me so much." It's our hope that this project will transform boys. How they feel about themselves, how they choose to treat others, how they view and engage with females, and how they contribute to their community. I'd love for you to make contact today to book a time for your school.